I love my birds, people. I love my birds. They fight each other over the bird bath. That mockingbird just chased everyone away for the bird bath. There's all of them. Okay. Look behind my little fertilizer bucket. There it goes. He's under there. I'm wondering if I'm gonna have another nest come up because the babies just left the last one. But these mockingbirds are pretty aggressive. Now the other one left the bird bath. He's not in the bird bath anymore. He's on the fence. He's on the fence drying off. See him? He's drying off. I love my animals. Yes, my animals, people. Birds, my animals, God's animals. All our creatures. They are so adorable. Okay, that's a mockingbird. And she went back over somewhere. I don't know. Anyways, people, I'm out in my pool. I finally get to enjoy my pool, so I'm watching the birds fly around. I can hear them. This one is still drying off on the fence over here. Every time I hear a bird, just catches my attention. Oh, back to the bird bath. Oh, let's get a second one in. We're here for all the other birds coming. I think he just pooped in it, too. Get how many times I clean it up. And a big-ass raven comes and lands in it. And I'm like, great. And then he shits all in it. And then I gotta go clean it. I'm like, thanks. Thanks, dude. Thanks for dropping a load and leaving. I love the birds. The birds have got to be my favorite people. Probably because that's the most I see out on my property. But I researched them and what they go through and their lifespan and all that. And, hey, man, it makes you appreciate life. That's for damn sure. Look, little guy. Everyone in our neighborhood has their own radio going on. It's funny. And look, I got me a little speaker from my pool. Ain't that the shit? A Wi-Fi speaker from my pool, boy. I'm jamming. Everybody have a good day.